All right, oil pastels. Oil pastels are kind of like crayons, but they're a little bit softer, so the colors turn out super, super bright. So we're gonna learn a couple of different oil pastel techniques. The first one is soft versus hard. Oil pastels look very different if you press hard on them and if you press soft with them. So if you're coloring something softly, it just means you're not pressing very hard. I am barely pressing down right now, and it's already turning out nice and bright. But if you press soft, you're gonna get just kind of a softer look, not quite as bright and bold. If you press hard, it's going to be darker. It's gonna be bolder. That means it's gonna stand out a little more. It's also gonna be a little bit more solid. This looks like solid blue, whereas this you can still see a little bit of the white paper. So it just depends on what you want as to if you're gonna press soft or hard. And you might do both in the same project. Oil pastels also can mix. Okay, so what you can do is you can have a shape and you can color it in. If you're gonna mix colors, I would press pretty hard, because you want a lot of oil pastel to be able to mix those colors together. So I have yellow, I'm gonna add some blue. What color do you think that might make? Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna mix it in the middle just like that. What color does it make? Yeah, it's green. Okay, so maybe I want just green in the middle. You can use your finger or your pinky to kind of smooth it out. So it kind of looks like this shape is changing from green to yellow. Maybe you want to do a darker green in the middle. So it's really changing colors from a dark green to a medium green to a yellow, like that. Okay, another technique is scratching. This one is fun too. If you're scratching, you definitely need to press hard. Because you need that thick layer of oil pastel. So I'm going to press hard, color my shape, whatever it is. Then you can use your fingernail. You could also use like a toothpick or a popsicle stick, and you're going to just scratch into the oil pastel. So I'm just gonna do some lines. Okay, it's gonna scratch away some of the oil pastel. Not all of it, but some of it. And you can try adding different colors on top of it too. Oops, maybe not that one. Maybe you want to do blue, light blue first, and then a dark blue on top of it, and then scratch it and see if that does anything. And do kind of a curly line. Okay, super fun technique. So those are all different ways you can use oil pastels.